In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at the bot's installation files and the accompanying documentation for various operating systems. I put together a complete package for you, which includes both step-by-step text instructions and the necessary installation scripts. First things first, make sure to go through the documentation file. There you'll find essential recommendations on risk management and the core logic of the bot. The documentation specifies how many trading pairs are recommended for your specific capital and how to manage your budget effectively. It also provides in-depth info on the bot's operational principles, which is vital for using it correctly. For Linux users, I prepared a dedicated text file with deployment instructions. I also have a separate video where I demonstrate this entire process in practice. One crucial detail to remember, the installation script must point to a direct download link for the bot's files. If the link I provided ever changes or goes down over time, you'll need to upload the files yourself to a platform that supports direct links. After that, you simply swap the link in the script and the system will automatically set up the bot using Docker. Now let's see what's inside the bot's archive. You'll find the site files, including both the front end and back end. The bot operates on an API and is managed through a user-friendly web interface to make things easier for you. There is also a templates folder where you'll find two versions of the bot, demo and mainnet. When you create a new instance from the web panel, the files are copied directly from these templates. The JSON file acts as the bot's memory. This is where every single open and close position is recorded. Keep in mind that deleting these files will cause the bot to forget all its ongoing processes, so be sure to handle them with care. The bot is compatible with both systems, and I've included files for both. However, I highly recommend using Linux. Instead of a standalone program, you'll use a website to manage the bot, which solves the difficulty of dealing with Linux commands. The web interface makes everything simple. You run a command once to set it all up, and from then on, you have your own dashboard. Linux is also much more efficient, using 2 to 3 times fewer resources than Windows, and the server costs are significantly lower, around $7 a month. If you still choose the Windows version, you'll find an .exe file in the package. Once you run it, the system will automatically create the necessary folders, and you'll be able to manage the bot with the same interface as the web version. If you decide to move the bot to a different server or update the code, make sure to back up the bot's folder, specifically the one containing your logs and active files. This allows you to resume work on the new server exactly from the point where you left off, ensuring the bot doesn't lose any data. That's pretty much everything you need to know about the bot's files and structure. In the next videos, we'll dive straight into the actual operation process.